Let's have a look at how forms work on Studio. So we'll log into our WordPress website again. And all I've done here is I've installed the free version of WP Forms and set up a pretty basic contact form and added it to a contact page. That's pretty much it. So now we're gonna connect Simply Static Studio with the contact form. To do that, go back to your dashboard, go to Simply Static Forms and create a new form connection. We give it a name, contact form. Websites running on Studio already come with a couple of pre-configurations. As you can see, Simply Static Studio is pre-selected here. It defaults to webhook usage, and we also deliver you a fully functional webhook integration and also handle all things security with a custom secret. All that's left to do for you now is choose one of our form integrations, including WP Forms, and add the form ID. So let's figure out how we can actually find the form ID. To do that, we can go to the front end of our website, go to the contact page, and inspect the form with the browser console. What we are looking for is the form tag. So if you scroll up a bit, you will find the form containing all the input fields. And you will find the ID. ID equals WP Forms form 10. Switch back to the form connection and paste in the value. We do have a couple of additional settings here. So if you want to modify the success message, you can do that. You can also link to a custom thank you page by enabling this one and selecting a page. And you can also define a custom error message. What we're doing instead is we're disabling the feedback altogether, because I want to show you how dynamic forms powered by Ajax work on Studio. Optionally, you can also add an email address for an additional email notification, but we're not doing that right now. Publish the connection. There's one step left, which is letting our CDN know that you are running the contact form with our integration. To do that, go to Generate and republish your page. Okay, we are all set. We can close our WordPress installation now. And instead, check out the static URL. Here we have our contact page. Let's fill out the details. Hit the submit button. And as you can see, you got the confirmation message. What's important here is that that's not a confirmation message you've set within the settings, but it's a default confirmation coming from WP Forms. Now switch back to the backend. Log into WordPress again. And this time we're navigating to Simply Static Entries. Here we're collecting all the form submissions. So even if you run on a free version of WP Forms, which doesn't include submissions, we still keep track of them and list them here sorted by date automatically. If you click on the little toggle right here, you will see my entire submission. We also send you an email notification with the content of that form submission, so you don't even have to check entries manually. You get notified by Static Studio automatically each time a new submission was done.